Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new card in the Beep application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that, you should just look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see the more option. Press on it, and here in this page you should just select the last option, which is settings, and you can just select here in this page the payment settings. And you can see the first option there, which is my cards. Press on it and you can just add the new card here. You can press OK. You can write in there the card number, the expiration date, the month and the year, the card name. You can just press on accept the terms and press down in the top of your right corner and the new card will be added. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.